when we're making fixtures. It's all done by hand, so when we need those perfect 4x4 grids to maximize our parts, we tend to veer off, and that causes a lot of problems when you're trying to fit in the parts next to each other, because now they're touching. And that's another half hour we have to spend trying to, make a new fixture, or we just drop a part and now it's an extra scan, so that's an hour and a half, 2 hours lost. And so the spacing either starts to get too irregular, where now the parts will be too close together, or even while this drawing might be nice, even when you go to the drill press, we might start to take it off, and we might veering off, or the drill takes off too much foam, just due to the way that the structure is. This is our new CNC router, supposed to help us with improving our fixturing time and just the precision and efficiency overall. It's also fit more parts into a single scan, as we're able to build a little more complex fixtures. With more precise fixturing, we'll be able to reduce noise caused from foam. A great time saver overall.